G'day, how's it going? So we've just got off at the Hua Lamphong MRT stop, just right across the road there. And you come across the road to here, and our plan is to try one of the new MuvMi electric boats. So I'm not 100% sure exactly where we're going, but let's see if we can find it. It's very quiet here. Now watch this guy. Clean energy. Maybe we're in the right spot here. There's a few of the boats sitting down there. So we have the MuvMi app because they have electric tuk-tuks. Not sure where it goes here, but we'll see if I can order one. Oh, that's a nice looking bridge. Okay, I've managed to order a boat. You have to go into the app and change it to the boat only locations at the top, and it says it's less than 5 minutes. So I don't know if you can see that, my phone has gone dark because it's so hot. It's less than 5 minutes away anyway, so it's 33 degrees. Okay, it looks like we have movement there, so let's see how we go. There's no one around. Cab. Jump in.
Open?
Thank you. Yep. And I just got to scan this one.
Yes.
Work okay?
Who's this?
I'm not sure this is very busy. So she took a photo of us. Might be our first customers of the day. Might be their first customers of the day. Got a little electric outboard motor there. So it looks like it can take 6 passengers, just like the electric tuk-tuks. But I've got an extra person on board here at the moment. For those of you who are wondering how fast it goes, "9 kilometres an hour." So you get plenty of time to see what's around. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a sand-set canal where the big boats go flying through, so they slowed right down. Looks like each person's got a flotation device if we end up in the drink. We're getting ready to stop. Come and cub. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I need to take a photo of you. Let me just take a video. Wave again. Thank you.
Thank you.
That was awesome. Thank you. Oh, I was taking lovely photo.
Oh, bless them. Oh, how cool was that? So, we haven't actually been to this area,
That was really cool.
and I don't know how. I just picked the end pier, so, and I'll have a look and see how much it costs. I think it said $0. I think it's still free. Yeah, it's pretty. I'm pretty sure it's still free. So it's the 5th of March. So I was expecting to pay. I thought it had finished the free rides, but definitely come and have a go. It's nice and peace and quiet, and you'll end up somewhere where you might not end up if you were visiting. And look, if you end up in the middle of nowhere, you can just get a grab, and you'll find a way to get back. But just through there is the Chao Phraya River, so there's a pier there that we can catch the boat back. And I'll have a quick look at the map and see if there's anything around here worth looking at. Oh, it's just there, yeah. So they're off again. Yeah, so the pier's just right there for the Chao Phraya River. So you never get stranded anywhere. Right, we found an alleyway to wander down. Let me just put this on low light mode and we'll see if we can see anything. Hopefully that's a bit better. Let's have a look. Yeah, hairdressers. Oh, these are some old places. Oh, this is a very local lunchtime area. What's the time? Yeah, 12:30. Watch the bike behind us. We're walking down this alleyway. Look how small it is. Sweaty cab.
990 คณะวินดวงศรีครับใช่ครับ
It's quite cool.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Wow. You never know what you'll see. Just walking to the pier. Let's have a look at this. It's called Diva Manor. Let's have a look at this cool old place. I don't know what it is. But it's pretty grand. It would have been grand in its day, that's for sure. Oh, look at that chandelier in there. Diva Manor. Wow. Maybe some sort of health spa or something. And just up over the road, if you're looking for some plants. Little plant market. The impatiens.
Yeah, the impatiens are at the other end, but these are petunias.
Oh, petunias. Oh, yeah. Well, they look healthy. Or pansies. It's been a while since we've done any gardening. Right, got something here. What's going on here? Are they snakes? And here. Oh, here's the turtles. Wow. just arrived at the pier, so hopefully we can catch a boat to the Thewet pier from here. Let's find out. Oh, this has been around a few years by the look of it. Looking at that floor, all slants towards the river. Cool spot. Okay, so we're at the Thewet pier. Just down that way is the pier that we got off the MuvMi. We had a quick look around the local area, and now we're going to catch the boat to the Thewet pier, where you can jump on the BTS and pretty much get back to Sukhumvit. So this boat is apparently 21 baht each, so 42 baht to Thewet pier. So we'll show you a bit of the river on the way back, but yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. It's just coming in now. Could be standing room only. How quick it is, we're off.